Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
The search for a new commissioner of police to replace Major General Anthony Anderson is now on. General Anderson's term as head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force will expire at the end of the month. The former Chief of Defence Staff of the Jamaica Defence Force has held the post of Police Commissioner since March 2018. My viewers and subscribers who remember when me come over here and I said that he is looking to resign but he never get a date. If you don't remember right, remember. If you don't remember right, remember. Me tell you no, me did come out. I think this was maybe 3 weeks ago. He came out and he said he's going to resign, but he didn't have a date. Now, Gogo Gaga finally is going. And I am happy because him not have no idea, him not have no plans. He not have no crime plans, my viewers and subscribers. So me glad. You don't know how much money this man get a year? You know what I'm telling you? Myself, you don't know how much this man, look on his face. You don't know how much money him get a year? 18 million. 18 million. This a police commissioner get. And I'll know he can come up with an idea for crime plan. Nothing he can put in place. I'll just come out 1 and 2 times and talk. Sometimes he not even know where my chat say. He not have no head back. When I tell you this a mania. This a mania. This a man, Anthony Anderson, we call himself police commissioner. Andrew Wallace's cousin, you know. You never know that. Yeah, man, I know nothing to hide. If you don't go on Google tell you no to. Tell you no already. Anything where Google not say, you know, exists. Yeah, real thing. Andrew Wallace's cousin, Andrew Wallace put him. Andrew Wallace put this a man in charge. This a man him put in charge. When I have people that is there, were more qualified than him. But you see, when Andrew do these things, he know where I do. It a working in favor. And this is called corruption. And I am really happy. I am really happy he's leaving and we don't want you back. We don't want you back. You know, the pressure is on, you know. Him know it, you know. Him know so the pressure is on. Too much money this a man there get. 18 million a year. For what? What am I do? What is he doing? My viewers and subscribers are the best thing he ever do for Jamaica. But, and saying that, guess who them want? If you can't turn the police commissioner to backside. Look on the screen. The greatest X.P0SE. A X.P0SE they want to put in place in my viewers and subscribers. So you know what that mean? That mean we're in a serious trouble. Jamaica is in trouble. Andrew Wallace know exactly what he's doing, you know. He have a plan, you know. He planned this out thoroughly, you know. But it's true because enough of the green people, them are run behind him, give him more strength. This is why I'm telling you guys to go out and demonstrate and asking Andrew Wallace to resign. We want to go out and demonstrate for him resign. This is what we have to do right now because we in a serious trouble. Serious trouble. No look on him. No. Look on him good. The greatest X.P0SE. After Google Gaga now I go away. This a money I go take over. You can imagine? Box cover. Anyway, tell me what you think. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. The Opposition People's National Party, PNP, has confirmed that it will be challenging in the court the result in 4 divisions following last Monday local government election. That's according to the party's General Secretary, Dr. Dayton Campbell. The divisions are Cornwall Mountain in Westmoreland Central, Lordway in St. Thomas Western, Mavis Bank in St. Andrew East Rural, and Southborough in the Portmore Municipality of St. Catherine East Central. My viewers and subscribers, this is the right route PNP going down the right road. Because we all know, say, Andrew Holness can't win. Because if Andrew Holness did win, they would have come out and say it only take them so long. It only take them so long to say JLP win local elect. No, it wouldn't. It wouldn't. You understand? And number one, you see, JLP, they shouldn't be disqualified from it. The Andrew Holness will be disqualified from seeking office because of how speaker gone down with ballot box a check off. She shouldn't be there. What she do down there, so? What is she doing down there? This is not right. And the P.S.O.J. is very quiet because them are labor right. And if I did PNP, them would have come out already. It is not right, P.S.O.J. We are watching, and we realize that only when a PNP run out. This is why we know that when a labor right, not transparent and not fair and square. It is unacceptable. It is really unacceptable, my viewers and subscribers. This is not right. You understand? What Juliet Holness do down electoral office, that a number one, a do ballot box a count off, and you down the a do. You're not supposed to down there some. And you know, you see, she's a house speaker, and through a prime minister wife, she can't go in there and do anything. She can't go in there and do anything, and nobody not going to say nothing to her. Because just saw them Jamaican people here stay. Yeah? They not going to say nothing to her. This is not right. Andrew Holness for disqualified from seeking office because he do a lot of things and get away with it. And P.S.O.J. You see, if I did one of the PNP go along at the electoral office, problem. You wouldn't see the P.S.O.J. come out and I call them out. P.S.O.J. you need to do the right thing for Jamaican people. You know what is happening and it is not acceptable. You need to do the right thing. The EOJ, the whole of them forget fire. The whole of them forget fire. Because all me see them a do, I pick up for Andrew Holness when they know say them come out. Tell Cliff Hughes, say PNP win. They know what them a do, they know say PNP win. And then 4 hours later, them a come back and I say, and a PNP win. On a two blasted lie. And Cliff Hughes really did it. I take it blame. Really, I take it bashing. You really make Jamaican people bash you for Andrew Holness. This is no found no sense. No found no have no sense. Me not understand these people. This is why me call out the P.S.O.J. all the time. Something like that. All right. Daryl Vaz. Remember, closing time from 5 o'clock, don't it? Daryl Vaz of people I come vote 9 o'clock. Listen, this is only a red flag. They should be disqualified from seeking office. What Daryl Vaz do this or make people come up to 9 o'clock a vote. Who have vote up to 9 o'clock? It is wrong. These are the things like, look how much red flag. I know me not see PNP, I do not know. PNP just a humble. You understand? And I do the right thing. Them are humble. And Andrew Holness, he knows he didn't win. My viewers and subscribers, no know. We all know say Andrew Holness no win. That's why I'm shame. Thief election, Andrew Holness. And uno say, I'm telling you, EOJ, uno need to be transparent. Uno need to be transparent. And transparency is what uno do not have. Uno not transparent. Something like this, to be transparent. Because we don't know who I do what and who I do who. You get me? Anything can go wrong. My viewers and subscribers, take in the video clip here.
You had bags with all the details with voters, ballots and so on were taped atop of the ballot boxes. I've never seen that in almost all my years participating in election matters. The bags seem to be tampered with, and all of those were accepted. That polling division, PD 86A and B, has 214 votes in it. 5 polling divisions, statement of polls were not included in the ballot box or the envelope or the bag that is slated from the EOJ. Those came separate, some unsigned, opened, envelopes opened.
So my viewers and subscribers, don't hear what she say. So whole heap of things go on. Because she participate in it. Don't hear what she say. She participate in it. Maybe she don't want to say much and say she was recruited by the EOJ, but she participate and she see everything that was happening. So fish she attack all these things, that mean she must be recruited by them. You understand? So this is why when you hear Mark Golden come out and attack, Mark Golden know what he's saying. They always telling us that Mark Golden is a liar, if you don't know that. And he always do well in a liar career. You don't need to go check him background, you know. You don't need to go check him background. When Andrew Holness come out and say, they might take out the people them land, the man make sure he take them go to court. Yeah, he take them go to court. You see, these are the things where you don't understand. I may have to go back and remind you and drag on the memory. Because you don't go on like say Mark Golden and stand up for you. Amount of things that Andrew Holness did that do. Andrew Holness mash down on the house and Mark Golden stand up. Mark Golden yesterday. But me tell you, enough of the mainstream media TV do not highlight Mark Golden. When Mark Golden is doing his speech, then don't highlight Mark Golden. This is why a lot of Jamaicans coming out and say, he not talk up, he not talk up. He talk up, but most of the media, the article, most of them work alongside with Andrew Holness. Me sure you already 2 articles that every time them post something about the Jamaica Labour Party, it write paid partnership. You know what paid partnership mean? Paid partnership mean they are paid to promote Jamaica Labour Party. So these are the things, my viewers and subscribers, you have to understand. Yeah, something go down. We know. Because the amount of things Andrew Holness do too much things and cause chaos in Jamaica during the pandemic. And we don't forget that. Although some people go on like they want to forget. Yeah, just because them claims that they die-hearted. And them are dead for hungry, you know. Only in an election time, they probably get one little box of chicken. Not even box. Maybe they get some little chicken and rice. Some of them, cannot even all of them. But really and truly, Andrew Holness no business about you know. He no care about you know. So no need for just wise up. Wise up, you understand? Because this country is too corrupted. And that Mark Golden want to get rid of corruption. He wants to get rid of it. Because he knows, listen, when you see the video when I post, and Mark Golden post it, and he must say, a corrupt government. You hear it? He knows that Andrew Holness corrupt and nothing to hide. And Andrew Holness under big investigation. He under investigation and don't want Jamaica to know. This is why I don't understand how, listen, you see the PSOJ, and a good somebody them, you know. You see, if I did PNP under investigation, you know, say, they would have asked the PNP Prime Minister to resign. You don't know that though. PSLJ, when you know if you come out and address things, you don't come out and address things. You don't allow Andrew Holness to do as he like and do as he please. But you see, God now gonna give you more than what we can bear. And this will go over very soon because we want this man out. And my wisdom warriors, we want to know if you go out and touch the street and demonstrate, protest for Andrew Holness to resign. We have to do it and the time is now. My viewers and subscribers, wanna like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.